In today's video, we're diving into One.com's website builder and if it's actually worth the investment. I know there are so many website builders out there, and so how do you actually know if this is the one to trust with your first site? What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and in today's video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about One.com's website builder. I'm going to walk you through what it is, what it can and can't do, some key features, pros and cons, and who I actually think it's good for. So if you're thinking about using One.com to build your site, or you just want something simple and affordable to get started, definitely watch this before you spend a dime. Let's get into it. So first off, what is One.com website builder? It's a website builder that's part of a larger hosting company, also called One.com. It's designed to help beginners create websites super fast with no coding and no technical knowledge and no big learning curve. So instead of signing up for WordPress, learning how to install themes, buying plugins, and hiring a designer, you can just drag and drop your way to a finished website. It's all handled in one place: your domain, your hosting, your emails, and your site builder. One.com has been around for a while, but they've made a lot of updates over the past year, especially to their website builder. It's very much made for beginners or people who want something fast and simple. Think like a portfolio site, a basic business page, or even a personal blog. If you're looking to build a complex online store or do deep design customization, it might not be for you. But if you're just getting your first site up and running, it definitely gets the job done. Now let's dive into some of the key features. One.com isn't the flashiest website builder out there, but it does give you most of the essentials to create a clean, functional website without the tech headaches. So whether you're building a personal brand, a client portfolio, or even just your first blog, it's designed to keep things super simple. So let's break down what you actually get inside and how it plays out in real life. First off, the drag and drop builder. The core of One.com's website builder is the drag and drop editor. You can take sections like headers, image galleries, text blocks, or call to action buttons and move them exactly where you want them on the page. There's no coding required and no hidden backend. What you see while you're building is exactly what your visitor will see once the site is live. Let's just say you're a personal trainer building your first website. You can drag and drop in a hero section at the top with your name and tagline, drop in a photo gallery of your clients, and finish it off with a big book your free session button. It takes maybe 30 minutes to get the layout dialed in, and you don't need to know anything about design or development to do it. You can also tweak fonts, spacing, colors, and backgrounds, but the options aren't overwhelming. It keeps you focused on launching, not fiddling endlessly with design settings. That's actually a huge win for people who tend to get stuck in the perfection mode. In a little bit, I'll be showing you what the drag and drop editor looks like, so make sure you stick around. Next is templates. So One.com offers a decent collection of templates grouped by category like business, blog, portfolio, restaurant, or personal. The designs are clean and beginner friendly. They're not flashy like what you'd find on Webflow, but they're structured in a way that makes it really easy to just plug your info and go. So for example, if you're a freelance copywriter, you can pick a portfolio style template, drop in your recent client work, and add a contact form. You don't have to figure out layout theory or color palettes. You're just swapping in your words and images. For people who don't want to reinvent the wheel, these templates are a huge time saver. You're not just staring at a blank canvas. You've already got a huge head start. Next is the mobile responsive design. This feature is a must-have these days. Every One.com template is mobile responsive, which means it automatically adjusts the layout to look good on phones and tablets. Imagine someone clicks on your Instagram bio link and lands on your website from their phone. With One.com, you don't have to stress about your text overlapping or images loading weird. The mobile version is already optimized. You can even preview your mobile layout in the builder so you know exactly what it looks like before you hit publish. For small business owners who are promoting themselves on social media, this mobile responsiveness is essential, especially because so much web traffic now comes from mobile devices. Next is the built-in blogging. Now, blogging might sound outdated to some, but it's still such a solid way to share updates, build trust, and especially improve SEO. One.com includes a simple blogging tool built right into the platform. You can write posts, insert images, add tags, and even feature blog categories. It's not WordPress level customization, but it's totally enough to get started if you want to share your ideas or grow your audience. Next is a lightweight online store. So One.com also includes a basic e-commerce feature that lets you sell products directly from their website. It supports both physical and digital items. Let's just say you're a yoga instructor offering a $15 digital download of a 7-day stretch routine. You can upload the PDF, set the price, and start accepting payments through your site. You don't need to integrate Shopify, Stripe, or hire a developer. Or maybe you're a photographer selling prints. Just upload your product image, write a quick description, and you're live. It's not built for massive product catalogs, but it's perfect for 1 to 10 products or simple digital sales. If you're launching a full online store with hundreds of SKUs and shipping options options, this is probably not the tool. But if your shop is more of a side offering, it's actually great because it just keeps things super easy to manage. Next, let's chat about built-in hosting and email. So one of the biggest advantages of one.com is that everything is included in your plan. Your domain name, your hosting, your website builder, and even professional email. Let's just say you're launching a consulting site called boldbrandstudio.com. With one.com, you can grab that domain, build your website, and set up an email like hello@boldbrandstudio.com, all from the same dashboard. No separate domain registrar, no juggling 3 different logins, and no extra monthly email service. This is especially useful if you're starting a side hustle or a new business and just want everything in one place without hiring help. Media library and file storage. One.com includes a central library where you can upload and organize your images, PDFs, and other files. That's helpful if you're working on multiple pages or want to reuse graphics. So let's just say you're a virtual assistant and you want to have downloadable PDFs for your services or onboarding. You can upload those into your file manager and link to them directly from your website. You don't need Dropbox or Google Drive links. It's all inside one.com. It keeps your business looking professional and you don't have to send clients to outside platforms. SEO tools. One.com gives you the basics when it comes to SEO. You can update page titles, descriptions, and image alt text. While it doesn't offer advanced keyword tools or deep integrations, it does help you make sure your site is search friendly. For example, if you're starting a dog walking business in Austin, you can set your homepage title to Reliable Dog Walker in Austin, insert your business name, and include keywords on your services page. That way, when someone Googles dog walker near me, you have a chance of showing up. It's not going to replace an SEO agency, but for beginners, this is more than enough to get started. Now that you understand all of the key features, let's dive into the pros and cons. Let's be real, no website builder is perfect, so here's what I think you should know before you decide if it's for you or not. So starting off with the pros, one.com is extremely beginner friendly. If you've never built a website before, the learning curve is very low. You can sign up, pick a template, and have a live site within an hour. It's also super affordable compared to most website builders for the features you get, especially the email, domain, and hosting. It's just a really good value. Everything is managed in one place. You don't need to connect your domain to a host or figure out email separately. That makes your life so much easier, especially when you're just getting started. The site editor is fast and simple. It doesn't crash or lag. It's very visual, which is perfect if you're more of a click and go person than a tech person. Now for the cons. So the customization is limited and you can't fine tune every detail like you could with WordPress or something like Webflow. What you see is what you get, which is great for speed, but not necessarily for control. And the e-commerce features are there, but they're just very basic. If your main goal is to build an online store with hundreds of products or a bunch of different payment options, one.com might not be the right tool for you. Also, there aren't as many advanced features like integrations, automation, or SEO tools that more advanced builders offer. Now that you really have a deep understanding of what one.com website builder is, the pros and cons, let's actually go into the different plans and what the website builder actually looks like. So if you want to check out one.com and follow along, I highly recommend using our exclusive link in the description below. And if you use our link, you can get started for $199 a month, which is way better of a price than any other website builders I've seen. Let's go ahead and look at the different plans and pricing options. Like I said, they have hosting, email, website builder, and manage WordPress, but we're going to start with the website builder. That's what we're talking about. Okay, now the starter plan. This starts at just $2.99 per month. And with this, you get a free domain, drag and drop page builder, 5 published pages, AI website creation, AI powered writing assistant, customizable templates, and access to free images. You also get the online shop feature and 50 gigabytes of storage and unlimited mail accounts. Then the premium plan is just $3.99 per month. With this plan, you get everything in the starter plan, but you also get blogs, backup and restore, social media components, and embedded custom code. Lastly is the business and e-commerce. So this just starts at $5.99 per month. And with this, you get everything in the premium plan, but you also get things like Google Business Listing, Google Reviews, Google Analytics, SEO Scan, and so much more. And then since this is the e-commerce plan, you get unlimited products and you can accept payments. So if you want to get started with them, all you'll do is select the plan that works for you, and then you will check out, and then you will select a domain, and you'll click continue and add in your payment information. Okay, now what the website builder actually looks like. So they will just ask you a couple questions: what your business name is, what type of business you have. The AI will actually create this for you. You also can look at templates, but the AI builder is just like very, very simple and easy. As you can see, it's so easy to just pull in text. You can edit it right here. You also can just pull in and drag in images. You'll have to upload them. If you want to add a button, again, you'll just drag and drop. It's very intuitive and easy to use, especially for the price. A lot of drag and drop editors are not as cost effective as this one. And then you can pull in a contact form, other widgets like Instagram. You do have to upgrade for this. But then there's the online shop that you can pull in. There's also a bookings if you are a coach. So again, it's very, very easy to use and navigate, especially if you don't have any experience with coding. Here is where you can check to make sure that it looks good on your mobile site. You also can go ahead and reorder if you don't like how they have created the mobile version. You can go back, and then if you want to publish, all you do is click here. Again, it's very intuitive, which is very important for me because I want to make sure that I don't mind going in and editing my website. If you want to check them out and make sure you're getting the best price possible, our link is in the description below. Is one.com worth it for you? If you're a beginner and your goal is to get a clean, functional site online without stress, then yes, it's definitely worth it. It's really ideal for people starting personal brands, small portfolios, consulting website, or basic blogs. So example, if you're a photographer, a nutrition coach, or even someone who just wants to document your travels, you can get your site live without hiring anyone or watching 50 YouTube tutorials. If you're trying to build a more complex site or already know you want full design control, advanced SEO, or integration with tools like ConvertKit or Zapier, one.com probably is not for you, just because it's not going to be able to scale and work with you long term. It's not meant to be a forever solution for high traffic or super customized sites, but as a beginner-friendly builder to get online fast and affordable, it absolutely works. I know how overwhelming building your first website can be. When I started, I wasted so much time testing tools that were either too big of an investment or way too complicated for me. So if you're looking for something simple, fast, and beginner-friendly, one.com might just be exactly what you need. Again, you can just click the link in the description below, and these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do decide to use our links and support our channel, we really just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. This channel is dedicated to helping beginners build and launch their very first website without the overwhelm. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.